Well, hello there. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Melbourne, Australia. You have to remember that it's special because we are in the middle of winter here. So this morning I got up and went to my local slot car shop in order to get some parts for one of my cars that I want to do small upgrades. I might show you that in another video. But the problem was, as I picked up the parts and I was about to leave, I tripped, fell, scraped the floor for a few meters. I tried to grab on a chair in order to stop the fall. The chair followed me, it knocked over a table. The table knocked over another table, and there was a domino effect of several tables and chairs which hit one of the shelves. And well, this thing fell into my lap. So I had no choice. Like, the box left the shelf and landed in my lap. It was a divine intervention there. It was some sort of sign. I needed to get it, even though I didn't went there for a car. I ended up adopting this beauty. Ooh, the microphone fell off. Where's the magnet? Need to give it a dance. Oh. The magnet is in my belly button. For fudge sake. Okay. Microphone back in place. So yeah, I looked down into my lap. I saw this beauty. And she gave me the puppy eyes. I couldn't leave it behind. I couldn't leave her back there by herself. So I ended up adopting her. But don't tell my wife. So now, things that I like about the car, and things that I'm not a huge fan of. First of all, the livery. The livery to me screams Slot Craftmaster. It has the yellow, the grey, the black, which is our color scheme, and it has the number 24, which is the year that we established the channel. It's perfect. Number 24 Camaro in the Slot Craftmaster livery. Beautiful. So that's the main reason that I got this specific version of the car. The other reason is I like Camaros. They're cool cars, but there's a but. I'm not a fan of NASCAR. I like my cars to turn both ways. I like finesse and I like control in a car, but that's me. And I know some of you people will start hitting those keys on your keyboard hard, giving me hate, saying, "Oh, crafty, you know, modern NASCAR, they turn left and right these days." And the answer to that is, I don't care. I'm just not a big fan. When it comes to American muscle cars and when it comes to Camaros and Mustangs, I prefer the Australian supercar series. But that's me. Now, back to this specific car. Things that I like is, of course, it is a Camaro, and I appreciate that. Hate them or love them, American muscle cars are special. Yeah, they don't have the finesse. Yeah, they don't have the control that European cars have, but they have what the States have, muscle, and that's appealing for any petrol head. On the slot car version of it, though, I see what Carrera has done here. So we have a brand new chassis, which is great, new design, which is great. Some features that they NASCAR unique, like they don't have mirrors, they don't have wings, they don't have large antennas, and they don't have lights, clear parts, and the small details at the front and back of the car, which, yeah, it's the NASCAR way. Like, who can forget the scene where Sally is making fun of Lightning McQueen about his stickers? So this is what you get with this car as well. So yeah, it is the NASCAR way, but at the same time, I reckon it's a little bit cheaper for Carrera to make as well. So it's a win-win for them. They can claim that their cars are accurate, but at the same time, they're saving money, and it's a popular series. So that means for the NASCAR fans that probably you're going to get a lot more of those kind of cars in the future. But on the other side, for the Australian audience and the supercar fans, I reckon that's bad news. I don't think that Carrera will bring out a supercar version that they have to add moving parts, details, and electronics and sell them at the same price to a smaller market. Anyhow, it's a beautiful car. It's one of the cars that you have to have in your collection. And you will see this one starring in some future Slot Craftmaster episodes. And maybe one day, we might make a project of turning a NASCAR Camaro into Australian supercar Camaro. That's a good idea for a future episode. We'll see. This was the Paddock Crafty. Zoom and out.